Welcome to this explainer on multiplying and dividing fractions. Ready to crush some Year 6 math? Let's go!
We're using this awesome definitive fraction cheat sheet as our guide today. Let's break the whole thing down.
First up, multiplication. So how exactly do we calculate 1/3 times 1/7? For unit fractions, it's super easy. Just multiply the bottom numbers, the denominators, together. 3 times 7 is 21. Because multiplication is commutative, order literally doesn't matter. Either way, our final answer is 1/21.
Okay, let's step it up to non-unit fractions. How about 2/3 multiplied by 4/5?
Step 1, multiply the top numerators straight across. Step 2, do the exact same for the bottom denominators. Boom! That gives us 8/15 perfectly sitting in its simplest form.
Right! Moving on to division. Conceptually, you're just sharing part of a whole into equal groups. So, let's say we need to calculate 1/5 divided by 4. How do we tackle that?
A fantastic mental trick here is treating this division exactly like multiplying by a unit fraction.
Just multiply the denominator by that whole number, and we instantly get 1/20. Super fast.
But what if we have a non-unit fraction? Let's try solving 3/7 divided by 2.
Simply rewrite it as multiplication by 1/2. Notice how the top numerator stays exactly the same.
Now just multiply across the bottom, and we arrive at our final answer, 3/14. Easy.
Want to speed things up even more? Your division efficiency completely depends on your starting numerator. We've got two main mental strategies. Basically, is the numerator a multiple of the divisor or not?
Take 9/10 divided by 3. Here, 9 is a perfect multiple of 3.
When that happens, just divide the numerator by the whole number and keep the bottom completely identical.
9 divided by 3 is 3. That gives us 3/10 instantly. It really is that quick.
What about 2/9 divided by 5? This time, 2 is definitely not a multiple of 5.
For this one, keep the numerator and multiply the denominator by the divisor. 9 times 5 is 45. Put those pieces together, and our final result is simply 2/45. You've got this. As the guide notes, developing a sense of fractional magnitude helps you pick the quickest shortcut every time.
Understanding these paths builds real math fluency. So, which strategy will you use to crush your next test?